All right, so we're going to take the derivative of the following function. It's a polynomial with a root function. So the domain is 0 to infinity. All right, so we're going to do it through definition of derivative, which we know if we do it in terms of a and h is this, and that'll be the derivative of f prime of a. So if I start working at it, and it's going to get ugly, it's going to require a conjugate. So it's a plus h plus the square root of a plus h minus a. Distribute the negative sign, negative a over h. The a's cancel, so we're left with the limit as h approaches 0 of h plus. Well, I'm definitely going to want to make this two limits using the limit laws. So I'm going to write this as the limit as h over h plus. I'm going to do this too right away. And we know now the limit's going to go to both parts. And if you don't do this, it's just, it's impossible, I think. I don't think it works.
That would make sense.
All right, and you still have to multiply. I'm not going to try it the other way. I'm really sure it's ugly the other way. I'm going to do the conjugate here. And we know, again, don't ever distribute on the bottom of these rules because it always comes back to haunt you. I'm going to get rid of, if h goes to 0, you get 1 plus, over here I'm at the limit as h goes to 0 of a plus h minus a, all over h times the quantity a plus h plus the square root of a. And again, we got to use our limit law. The big step is right here to separate out. And right click will be a right click. All right. And then the a's cancel. H over h is positive 1. I plug in 0. So I get the derivative here at this point is 1 plus 1 over 2 square roots of a. And that would be the derivative of f prime of a. And if it asks you to do it in terms of x, it's just the f prime of x equals 1 plus 1 over 2x. Now, also, yeah, two terms. It might be in the.
You don't want to spread it like that.
It might be written like this. It could be very well written like this as one term. But
I meant like 1 plus 1 half x.
Oh, you can do that too. I don't particularly care. Again, you have to know your professor. You have to know the class. So if you wanted to write this, that'd be fine too. All three of these. I don't know what the answer book probably has. It's going to have one of these three formats. Oh, it's an even. All right. So this is how you do definition derivative. Again, once you know the rules, it's much easier. I'm going to, instead of using the word more, I'm going to say it's much easier to do this. Again, keep practicing.